Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, here are some Urdu phrases with English translations. Today we will learn greetings in Urdu. Number first, Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Number two, Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye. Number three, Subah Bakhair. Good morning. Number four, Shab Bakhair. Good night. Introductions. Number first, मेरा नाम. My name is. Number two, आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? Number three, मैं. I. Number four, तुम. You. Number five, वो. He. Number six, वो. She. Basic phrases. Number one, Shukriya. Thank you. Number two, Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye. Number three, Chalo. Let's go. Number four, Theek hai. Okay. Useful words. Number one, Pani. Water. Number two, Kana. Food. Number three, Bazaar. Market. Number four, Hospital. अस्पताल. Common sentences. Number one, मैं आपसे मोहब्बत करता हूँ. I love you. Number two, आप कैसे हैं? How are you? Number three, मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. Number four, मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. Number five, आपका घर किधर है? Where is your home?